Okay, now this is the Fiat 124 Spider, and we're going to see how do we take this door sill off. What I like to do is wrap it and see if I can put some protection on it, because I swear there's lots of scuffing going on when trying to exit and enter the car. Let's see. I think I was able to pry it a little bit. Lift up. Oh, here's something. Let's see, will I get everything here? Oh, there we go. Hear that? It's coming off. What is it? Oh, is it completely off already? Just like that? Wow. Okay, let me just pull it. Not sure how that works. Oh. It's that looks like something here. Okay. I just need to yank it. What's connecting to it? I can't see. Oh, that was it. Let's see here. Okay. All right. It looks like we know this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 clips which go inside the door sill. Then what? Oh. I think that's it. That was the only thing holding it at the very end. Right there. And of course, these are the alignments. And that's it to take it off. You can see underneath what it looks like. See, we talked about that goes to right there. These points go into right here. And that's it. That's how you take it off. Okay, let's put this puppy back in here. It's not really hard. Make sure it's the right ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's it. Let's stick this one here, I imagine. Let's see. Oh, see? Nice, huh? Oh man, I can dig that. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial and fun thing doing for the little Fiat here. Just go ahead and like and subscribe if you want to continue seeing any other videos coming up and following our Fiat journey. Thank you.